Your phone got cracked, your headphones got broken, and your breakfast got burnt? You think it's all just a coincidence? Find out how an angel and a demon ruin a human's vacation in our new video. Alice is getting ready for vacation. But she's not going alone. It seems like the demon needs a vacation too. Pack your stuff! And I can't forget my main accessory. My horns need to go with me. I'm ready to go to a hot resort. I really want a heavenly vacation. All my stuff fits in one bag. I can save some money on the luggage. And I can't forget to pack my wings. That's it. I'm ready for a vacation in paradise. One goes up and one goes down. A pool selfie! Surprise! Alice, you are so clumsy. Oh no, the phone dived. What do I do? It can't swim at all. Alice, I'm gonna save it. I need to get used to the water temperature. Alice, are you missing something? Go look for it. Oh, here's my phone. Oh no, too late. It already drowned. I'm gonna listen to music. Alice, are you wearing headphones? Great, let's turn it up. What? My ears! Phone, stop yelling. Demon, stop it. Back off, Angel. I was born to be a DJ. Leave the phone alone. No, you leave us alone. Enough! I think my phone is broken. What's wrong with my headphones? There you go. Demon, I fixed it. Whoops! It looks like I went overboard. Great weather we are having. Oh no, the wind is so strong. Haha, Alice, say bye to your hairstyle. Oh no, my hair! I look like a tornado. Don't worry, we are gonna fix it right now. No, horns don't look good on you. What about this hat? Even worse. Oh, here, a simple hat. It suits you. Whoa, not bad. Let's cook pancakes. I'll make the most beautiful heart-shaped pancakes with the help of my guardian angel. Alice, watch out. Good job. You are such a talented chef. Look what we cooked, Demon. The best pancakes in the world. Whoops, one fell down. Ew, Demon, you can't be so evil. You are ruining my aura. You are so sensitive. And right now, it's gonna get hot in here. The more fire, the better. Oh, I think we are on fire. How sad. Oh no, the tasty pancake is ruined. We tried so hard. This is so unfair. Oh, this musician is amazing. Alice, let's give him some money. Music is magic. Don't, we need the money more. Thanks. Alice, this song is so beautiful. Let's give him some more money. We need to do nice things. Thanks a lot. You are so nice. Doing nice things feels great. Whoops! I spent all my money. So, are you happy, Angel? Can we eat music for lunch? Oh, yoga! Alice, are you looking for harmony and balance? Here, scratch your ear. Is there a fly here? Go away! Fine, let's make the task more complicated. Try staying balanced. Here, this'll help you balance. Phew! What about this? Good luck! What was that? What an interesting book! Oh, fruits! Why? Fine, thanks! Alice, eat up! Vitamins are healthy! And what's that? A cake? Why? Come on, Alice! Eat it all and get cavities! There you go! Okay, cake is yummy too! I love it! I want to see how much I weigh. What does the scale say? Phew! I can still eat a little. What? It's close to 200! This is terrible! Devil, take your foot off right now! You're cheating! What's going on with this scale? I guess it's broken. That's it, demon! This is my spot! Oh no! 220! I feel sick! Why aren't you doing anything? Save Alice! The most important part of the shower is adjusting the water temperature. But the supernatural powers will make you have a contrast shower. Ah! It's so hot! Stop it, demon! Do you want to burn her? It needs to be cold. No, hot. No, cold. Hot. Cold. That's it. I've had enough. This is not a shower. It's purgatory. What have you done? Now Alice will be dirty. Whoa! What a hottie! I need to go talk to him. Whoops! My swimsuit! Not bad. Keep walking, buddy. There's nothing to see here. I covered everything up. Hey, where is it? I can't find it. Who's seen my phone? Where did it go? It was somewhere here. Demon, are you torturing her again? Put Alice's phone back right now. Whoops! Here's my phone, but what happened to it? That's terrible. Poor thing. That's it. My life is ruined. You could have used a regular phone. I'll go for a jog next. Awesome! I can already feel my muscles growing. Nice jog, Alice. What if we increase the speed? Oh, that's too fast. I can't keep up. Demon, what are you doing? You are gonna drive her to an early grave. Turn it down. What? Alice handles the problem alone. The workout is over. I'll just run through my Instagram feed. Laundry time! But the demon wants to help with housework. I'll increase the temperature. It's gonna be as hot as the underworld here. My clothes? What happened? They're tiny. Now I'll have to go on a diet. Bad luck. A photo booth? Awesome! I'll take some fun pics. Smile! Excitement! Happiness! That's how it turned out. Hey! Who are these two in the background? There's no one in here. That's creepy. Supernatural creatures are ruining my pictures. Cleaning up feels so good that it's almost bad. I'll use this nice towel. Where's my robe? What? It's so dirty. Who did this? I'll have to clean it. Demon, do you have something to do with it? Karma will get you. I'm so sad. It's terrible. Alice is leaving. The vacation is over. Hey, Angel, don't cry. Here, wipe your tears. You are gonna feel better right away. And now, take a closer look. What's that? A plane ticket! Oh no! I ruined everything! What happened to my ticket? Oh no! Yikes! I'll have to stay! Is the flight canceled? We're staying! Yay! Thank you, Demon! Did you like our angel and demon on vacation? Then comment below what you like the most. The demon's pranks or the angel's help? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.